Using a PBN1 tool, remove the trim around the door opener. Don't start from the back there, start from the front. There's less of a gap to get into it though, but if you do it the other way, you run the chance of breaking the little piece there. So using a 10mm socket, remove one bolt. There's two bolts here, and use a 9/32 socket to remove them. Remove this panel from front to back, especially in the back door, because in the back it has a small little piece that if you move from the back to front, you'll break it. Remove one molex plug from the back of this panel by pressing down and pulling outwards. Once you remove that piece, you'll see a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and remove that. Now pull out on the panel and then up to release it off of the track. And there's a couple molex plugs back here. Just press down on the tab and release. This one right here is for the tweeter. And then there's one more plug right here. To remove this piece, pull back on this plastic part here. Then pull the door trigger open. And it should release the clip there. Speaker has 3 bolts, remove them. There's also a molex plug on there you have to remove. Just press down on the tab and pull outwards. If you guys need how to remove the factory stereo, I also have that video too. And I also have a video on the polarity and speaker wiring for this vehicle. Check it out in the playlist below.